Hello, guys. Good evening or good night, actually. Recording from Nigeria. I just gave you my thoughts on GBP USD right now. So, as you can see, I've drawn on my key levels on the 4-hour time frame. On this 4-hour time frame, I mostly use my RSI for what? RSI divergence. As you can see, price is making a lower low, but what? RSI is showing us a lower high. This showing us that the trend is losing momentum and possible reversal will soon occur. Okay, now knowing this, we go to our 15-minute time frame to look for what? A perfect entry. Onto the 15-minute perfect, we can see that what? A trend line has been drawn from the resistance point to the support point, and then price has broken through that trend line, went back to retest it and shot up. And now as it shot back up, if you zoom in, as you can see right now, price watch drew a bullish triangle. This bullish triangle is also a major trend reversal pattern. Now with our break of trend line, our bullish triangle, and our divergence on the RSI, because I mostly find RSI divergences on the higher time frames, because why? They are more valid and more reliable than the 15-minute and the 1 hour time frame. So now with all of this, as you can see, I've already taken my buy trade, and now so we'll just wait until prices our take profit, and then we'll close. Have a nice day. Thank you. Okay, guys, as you can see, that GBP USD trade that I took, I just closed it, and you can see the profit. It also the USD JPY that I took, profit. Altogether today I made $179 with, and now my account balance is up to $610. $109 in just one day. For me, that's a very good day to end the week. So if you want to see more of this, follow me, like and subscribe to my content, and also DM me for account management. Thank you. God bless. One love. Let's feed the market together.